If your home has termite damage or pest issues, you're probably wondering who would ever want to buy it. Whether it's structural damage from termites, rodents in the attic, or years of unseen infestations, it can feel like the property is unsellable. We talk to sellers all across Virginia, in Harrisonburg, Stanton, Broadway, Timberville, and beyond, who are ready to let go of the stress and move on from a home with damage they can't afford to fix. At Align Real Estate Solutions, we specialize in homes that aren't perfect, and pest issues are more common than most people even realize. We're not here to judge. We're here to give you clear options so you can sell and move forward. We start by learning what kind of damage you're dealing with. Some homes have minor signs of pest activity, others need major repairs. Either way, we walk you through a tailored menu of options that fits your goals. Our immediate cash offer is often the best solution for homes with major termite or rodent damage. We'll buy the property as is, handle treatment and repair after closing, and give you a clean break quickly. But that's not your only option. If your goal is to recover more equity and the house still has value, we may use our equity protection program to handle remediation and list the property at retail without you paying for repairs up front. If the damage is documented but manageable and you'd rather sell on the open market, we'll support you through our on-market listing package with disclosures, repair bids, and buyer prep. We often speak with sellers in Grottos, Fishersville, and Elkton who are dealing with homes that haven't been treated in years or have hidden damage that scares off buyers. That's okay. We're not scared off. We're prepared. And you do not have to figure it out alone. We'll walk the property, review the damage, consult with the right professionals, and give you a plan that's realistic and respectful of your timeline. We're Aligned Real Estate Solutions. We're local to Virginia, and if your house has pest damage, you're not out of options. Let's talk and find the one that makes sense for you.